guys, it's me, Space Cat. Hello. This is my first video start to my channel, so please be supportive. I've been struggling making videos real bad because of the files not working. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a gun in Scratch. You see, I've already made my gun and my bullet, but you can make it look however you want. Make sure it's in that gun shape. Make sure the bullet is smaller than the barrel. I think that's what it's called, that part of the gun. So you need most of the coding on the bullet. Once you've made the gun and the bullet will be on top of the gun. So what you need to do is go to back layer, click that, and then it'll go behind. You can, if you want the gun to work whenever, which that's what I'm gonna do right now. This type doesn't work, it has to be this flag clicked. Okay. Key space pressed, create clone of myself. And this clicked. Forever. If sensing key right arrow, left arrow, motion, turn, 10, forever, set direction to direction. There we go. Now this should work. Yay, so there you have it. That's how you make a gun. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And make sure to like and subscribe. Also, for the next 3 weeks, I won't be able to record coding videos and things like that. I'll only be able to do mainly animations, so that's really all I'll be doing. So I will be uploading videos more spaced out because animations take a while, but after that 3 weeks I'll be able to record properly. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.